Hello there. My name is Thelma, and today I'm here to answer a question that so many people have asked me. So I needed to do this video, and I want to make it brief as possible so that somebody can get what exactly I did. And I got my visa on the first trial from Kenya to Romania. So I applied for the visit visa and I attached documents, and I'm gonna give you a direct brief for that. So come along with me and I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to do before that interview, and you're gonna get it. Trust me. Yeah, there we go. The first thing you need to have is a valid passport. So if you don't have a passport and you want to travel to Europe, specifically Romania, kindly get a passport. Or if you have it, check if it's valid within 3 months of your journey, if it can accommodate the time that you will travel, if it has blank pages, and if you received it within a window period of 10 years. Okay? So that's what you need to have as number one. Anywhere in the world, you need a passport to travel, also from Kenya. Yeah, number two, visa application form. Kindly get the form online and download and, apply. Fill the form as you're asked the question, the reason why you're going there, what you're going to do, how long you're gonna stay. Do you know anybody? If it's tourism, just write it's tourism. Like I wrote that I'm going to visit my other family members who are in Romania, because my husband, he's half Germany, half Romanian. So he has some family members in Romania and some family members in Germany. So that was my main intended reason of the travel. So you need, number three, a colored passport photo. Those small photos which will be attached on your visa? You need them, like 2 of them. So that's what as well I done according to the specifications that the embassy needs. So you can Google, because all the information is online. And I know some of the people from Kenya that in the way of old school, but it doesn't work in the West. You have to be up to date online to keep checking, because here in the West everything is updated online. So if you need anything, just check on the website, and all the information is provided over there. And another thing I done is the proof of funds. So my bank statement could not, to be honest, reach the requirement of applying for a visit visa. So what I did is I used my husband's bank statement and pay slips each month for around 6 months to back up my own bank statement, because honestly what I had in Kenya was what I was earning then wasn't much to convince them that I can visit and go back home. Okay, so I had to use his bank statements and the pay slips for at least 6 months to prove that there is sufficient funds, because I'd done the research and so many people were denied because their bank statement could not attain a certain amount that these officials, this consulate look at on the interview day. And another thing is a proof of accommodation, where you're going. If you don't know anybody, you need to book a hotel online. You need to have accommodation. You need to show them that you have a place where you will stay during your intended travel. Okay, so you need to show them, and they need the proof of that hotel if you've paid. But for me, I used my mom-in-law's title deed and a contract of a house to show that she has a house, she has a physical location, and that's where I want to stay for the intended time I wanted to stay there, which was 2 months. So, and that was accepted, and she also backed up me with a letter, an invitation letter to show that she wants me to visit there so that she can show me around the village, around where she was born, where my grandma and great grandma were born, because she was born in Romania. So she wanted to show me so that at least I know the lineage, I know exactly where they came from, like where this generation came from. Yeah, so she backed me up with a letter as well. Like she wrote a letter to support me in my application, which is okay. If you have somebody, they can support you in that. Another thing is a medical insurance. Oh, this was a problem because I didn't have a Romanian medical insurance. So I had to get one that is international. So if you need one, you can check online, depends on the country that you're going, and get to secure a medical insurance. Of course, you have to pay for it to show that medically you're secured. In case of anything, you will be okay to be treated anywhere you will be. Okay. Yeah, so that was it. That was the thing that I did. And another thing, you have to prove that you are not a criminal. So you need a criminal record certificate. And I got it. I applied online. I had to wait for around 7 days. I paid around 1,100 in Kenya, in Nairobi, and I got it online. I downloaded it and I uploaded to my application and carried a copy on my interview. Okay, and then after I applied, I paid for a fee. For the first time, I paid for the fee. This is way before we were officially married. But when we were officially married, I became part of the family member. So right now, I no longer pay for the visa there because we are married in Romania as well. The same way we are married in Kenya, our marriage is registered in Kenya. Our marriage is registered in England. That's why I got the resident here. I got the visa to come here in England. It's the same way I am married in Romania because we did, the logistics as well of registering our marriage officially in these 3 nations, and I thank God for that. So for the first time before we married, I paid the fee, but currently I don't pay the fee for the visa because now I'm a family member, and we will dwell next time when we get time. We will dwell on how you translate your marriage to Romania, to register it so that you are a family member and you don't have to pay when you're married to a citizen of Romania. I hope this helps you as you apply. Let this be a guideline. Get all your documents first, apply, fill in the form, sign it, send it, and they are very good people, by the way. The consulate, he will review, he or she, I don't know who is there currently in Kenya at the embassy, but they will review, and within 2 days they will get back to you and they will answer you. They will tell you if the application is okay. They will book you in for the interview, and during the interview, carry all your original documents and show up early before the time. These ones, they keep time, all right? And once you show up, be confident, be straightforward on what you're going to do, but above all, pray first, because